Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add signature in your PDF file on online. So here you can see I'm on my desktop. So you have to do is open up any kind of browser and search for a small PDF and select the first one. You can see a small PDF, just simply click on that, and here you can see e-sign PDF. So what it will let you create your signatures and sign your PDF and request. Okay, so simply just click on that, and what you have to do, just upload your PDF file. So I'm uploading just simply a PDF file as to showing you as an example. Okay, and here you can see your signature. So if you want to add your signature, just simply click on that, add. And if you want to just type, you can just simply type your name right here. But if you don't want to do it, what you can do is you can simply just draw it right here, which is, you can see I'm doing it right now, and that's how you can do it. And there is also uploading option, which is you can simply add a signature. Okay, simply write signature on a paper, and you can just simply click on that, just simply capture that photo, and you can simply upload from your desktop. Okay, so you can also do that. So I'm just going to write just like this. Okay, alright, now simply click on create. So here you can see it's being optimized, and you can simply drag, click or left click on the mouse and drag it right here, and you can just also adjust the size of it by clicking on that left mouse key, and okay, and just simply just put it wherever you want. You can do that. And there is also initial, which is if you click on add, and here you can see if I type right here, and if I change my style, you can also do that. Okay, and if you want to change the color of it, you also can do that. Okay, and even if you draw, you also can just simply change the color of it. So that's how your things needs to be done. And if you want to add any kind of text, just like anything else, signature, right, you can also reduce the size of it according to your needs. So let's suppose if I put it right here, and you can also add date field if you want. If you click on that, you will be able to add your date according to your needs. Okay, and if you want to any kind of checkbox, you also can do that as well. So that's how you can do it, and after that you have to click on finish and sign, and it's being processed right now. Here you can see that sign is successfully added, and what you can do is next is click on save and save to device. Alright, and you can simply download, and if you check, look at that, it's added, right? So that's how you can add signature to your PDF file online and using your desktop. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below.